What if you had the secret to making your product or service irresistible? Well, that secret lies in understanding the core principles of marketing. Dive into the world of marketing, and you'll find four main principles that guide every decision, every strategy, and every success story. These are commonly known as the 4 Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. Let's kick things off with product. This principle is all about understanding what your customers need and creating a product that satisfies those needs. It's not just about creating something that's shiny and new. It's about designing a solution that truly resonates with your target audience, a product that they can't help but want. Next up is price. Now, this isn't just about slapping any old price tag on your product. This principle involves setting a price that's both competitive and profitable. It's a delicate balance, requiring a deep understanding of your market, your competition, and the perceived value of your product. Then we have place. This is all about getting the product to where your customers are. It's no good having the best product in the world if it's not available where your customers can find it. This principle is about identifying the best channels to distribute your product, be it online, in a physical store, or through other creative platforms. Finally, we have promotion. This principle involves communicating the benefits of your product to your customers. It's not just about telling them that your product exists. It's about persuading them that your product is the best solution for their needs and that they should choose it over any other alternatives. Together, these 4 Ps, product, price, place, and promotion, form the cornerstone of any successful marketing strategy. They represent the fundamental questions that every marketer needs to answer. What are you selling? How much does it cost? Where can customers find it? And how will you let them know about it? These 4 Ps form the cornerstone of any successful marketing strategy. Ignore them, and your product may well end up being ignored too. But how do these principles come to life in the real world, you may ask? Let's look at some examples. First up, let's talk about Apple's iPhone. It's a perfect example of the product principle. The iPhone satisfies a consumer's need for a sleek, high-tech smartphone. It's not just about making calls or sending texts. The iPhone is a symbol of status, a gateway to a world of apps, and a device that packs a computer's power into the palm of your hand. Now, moving on to price. Apple has priced the iPhone higher than most of their competitors. But why? This is because Apple's pricing strategy signifies premium quality. When you buy an iPhone, you're not just buying a phone, you're buying into a promise of innovation, superior design, and a seamless user experience. Next up is place. Apple has made its products easily accessible to consumers. Whether it's walking into an Apple store or ordering online, Apple's distribution channels are strategically designed to make purchasing their products a breeze. And it's not just about the physical availability of the product, but also about the way the products are displayed and the customer service provided. Lastly, we have promotion. Apple's advertisements do more than just highlight the product's unique features and benefits. They tell a story, evoke emotions, and create a desire for the product. From the iconic 1,984 inches Super Bowl commercial to the minimalist product shots of today, Apple's promotions have consistently reinforced its brand message of innovation, design, and user experience. But it's not just Apple. These principles can be seen at play in various industries. Think about Starbucks and how they've turned a simple cup of coffee into a premium experience. Or how Tesla has redefined the electric car market with their innovative products, premium pricing, and direct-to-consumer sales model. These examples illustrate how the 4 Ps of marketing, product, price, place, and promotion, can work together to create a strong brand image and drive sales. So the next time you see a product or service, try to think about the marketing principles behind it. So, why does understanding these principles matter? Well, it's simple. These principles of marketing, the ones we've discussed today, are not just theoretical concepts. They are the fundamental building blocks that can help businesses create products that truly serve their customers' needs. By pricing these products appropriately, businesses can ensure they are both accessible to their target audience and profitable. And with effective distribution strategies, these products can reach customers in the most convenient and efficient ways possible. But it doesn't stop there. The power of marketing also lies in its ability to promote products in ways that resonate with customers, that speak their language, that touch their hearts. It's about creating messages that are not only heard but also felt. In the end, marketing is all about understanding your customer and delivering value. The 4 Ps are your guide to doing just that. So take them, use them, and watch your business grow.